A pleasant day to everyone. My name is Carlos Villanueva Rangel, a BS at English major student. And now I am going to critique about the video posted by our instructor. So let's get started. The LSE event, Grammar School, Schools That Works for Everyone, depicts about the selective education wherein learners are exclusively learning grammar education based on their intellect and educational attainment, as well as their societal status. The people who are privileged enough, they have the rights to undergo to grammar schools. While on the other part, people who's experiencing poverty have no rights to undergo to grammar schools. In this video, the main issue is the inequality in terms of the educational system in England. Discrimination is one of the major crises here when it comes to societal status of an individual. Here in our country, we have a plenty of schools that have high qualifications in their entrance exams. However, we also have schools that offered free education for those people who cannot afford those kind of elite schools. The video shows the pressure between the inequality and quality of the learners. For the inequality, learners were separated because of their intellectual capacity and educational attainment, and most especially their status within the community, and it shows discriminations and racism. In addition, some learners who were included in these so-called elite schools were viewed those students who are not capable to enter those kind of school as lowly learners. For the quality, this kind of school promotes excellence and nurturing the students to become a better individual. However, there are people who contradict the selective grammar schools, such as Mary Bosted. She argues that grammar school is not the only solution to the issue of education. Instead, it affects the other schools or the neighboring schools. The next one is Melissa Ben. She argues that the selective grammar schools are unfair, especially to those people who are poor and not capable to enter to that kind of school. Although the effect of this educational system were good, discrimination among students were evident. At the end, they decided not to implement much the grammar schools. Although it has a good impact on a country, on the other side, they will normalize the unfair treatment in an individual, which makes them a racist. Everyone deserves to learn and grow intellectually and mentally, because it was their rights to go to school. Educational system should be fair and not discriminatory with everybody. It should embrace the diversity of each learners, whether it is poor or rich, foreign or local people, because at the end of the day, we have one goal to achieve, and that is to learn and grow. And that's all for my critique. Thank you very much.